Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel all about crypto. Today I want to show you a platform that I personally believe is one of the best to safety stake your crypto. So, over the past few weeks I've been diving deep, researching all kind of options on where to stake my Ethereum. So, I have checked forums, YouTube channels, crypto groups and websites, from the most well-known platforms to some really hidden ones. And honestly, most of them either offer super low returns or are just too complicated to even get started. But one platform really caught my attention. I actually found it through a trusted crypto website, so I wasn't worried about safety. Out of the centralized option I saw, this is one stood out the most. Let's scroll down and find it together. And yeah, I've already connected my wallet and started using it myself. So guys, let me show you exactly how it looks inside. Guys, I want to remind you that here you can really earn from staking your Ethereum, and the percentage is real and higher than on the most platforms, 6.6%, which is very cool. And a lot of users have already staked their Ethereum here because everything is transparent, safe, and the most important, legal. There's also a built-in calculator. You can immediately check how much you will earn from staking, and it works super simply. Just connect your wallet, sign a transaction on the smart contract, and start receiving your rewards. You can choose from different wallet connection options, but I personally use MetaMask, and my wallet is already connected. So I'll show you my dashboard, how it looks and how it works inside. The platform has detected that my MetaMask wallet is connected, and this is exactly how my dashboard looks. As I mentioned before, I'm already using this platform, and as you can see, I have already made more than $5,000 with it. The platform is super simple to use. Anyone who holds Ethereum can do the same. What I really love in this, it doesn't ask you for the seed phrase or private keys. All you need to do is connect your wallet. That's it. Let me show how to stake your Ethereum here. The platform automatically detects how much Ethereum you have in your wallet. You just enter the amount you want to stake, hit the stake button, and boom, you already started to earning. Everything shows up is your staking history as well. And if you want to unstake, you just follow the same steps in reverse. Super easy. The only thing I feel is missing right now is real-time earning tracking, but I think they will probably add that in future updates. So anyway, that's it from me. This is your guy Samir from CryptoFacts, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.